Hello friend, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how you can use check my links in incognito mode as well as for the local files offline. So by default, like if you open incognito mode, you will not find the check my links logo here. So of course, like if you will open any website, you won't be able to use check my links by default in incognito mode. So this is actually a general logic for all the extensions out there, not just for check my links. If you are using any other extension and you want to utilize that particular extension in incognito mode, one simple setting is required for each and every extension. I mean, it's like, of course, you will have to do it for every extension, that setting, but setting is same. What you have to do, just right click on the extension logo and click on manage extension, whichever extension you want. So here, this is check my links. So if you scroll down here, you will see this allow in incognito toggle, this one here. So by default, when you right click, manage extension, this page will open. Here scroll down and you see allow in incognito. Turn on this toggle, and now if you go to incognito mode, you will find this logo here by default. Now if you let's say close this and open again incognito, so you will find it here. Now if you open website, you will see the logo here. If you click, it will scan the page. If you go any particular page where you want to scan, you just click logo and it will start working. So this is very simple and straightforward. One setting is required to use check my links in incognito mode. Okay, now next thing, how you can use the check my links for local HTML files. Like let's say for an example, you have any page where you want to utilize this particular extension. So let's say this is a local HTML file, right? This is not any website, something like if we disconnect the internet, then also like we can open this particular website. So suppose if you have some website or some pages in system, in your secure system where you cannot connect internet, so in that case also you can use check my links. How? Same way, just right click and manage extension. This setting is like one time only. You will not you don't have to do it every time. And here you have this allow access to file URLs. Just below that allow in incognito, you will see this toggle. Turn on this as well. And now if you open this particular page, like let's say in new tab, or you can just refresh that, here you will see, you click on this and it will work here. You see that it has fetched all the URL from this page, and it has started showing the result here. You can click view all and then you can see the report, you can download and everything you can do. But suppose like if you don't have if you haven't turned on this toggle here, let me just show you this as well. Like if this is off, in that case what will happen? If you click on this, you see that it's not working. So if you haven't turned on that toggle, then it will not work. So let's say we have turned on this, and now if you right click, if you just refresh the page and click, it will work. So this is how very easily you can use the check my links for local HTML file as well as in incognito mode. If you have any question, any doubt, do let us know in the comment section. Please do review check my links in Chrome store and leave your feedback there. It will really help us. And here on SelectorsHub website, if you go to this page check my links, here you will find all the features and everything. You can check out like which all features are there and what all features are there which are behind advanced key. So that also you can check out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please do like, subscribe and share with others this check my links. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.